In this lesson, we're going to look at the string method Isalpha. And what this one does is it will return true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet. I'll show you real quick. X equals I am a string, no spaces. Y, we'll say equals X dot is alpha. Don't forget the brackets, of course. And we will print Y. Okay, we get true. Okay, let's change it up a little bit. Let's just do some numbers. Those are not in the alphabet. Run it again. We get false, as expected. So that's all there is to that one.